It is 4 degrees, feels like -4. This one's just having breakfast in the sun. Uh-oh, need another one? That makes a good skid. We're changing it up a little for 4 feels like 4. For whatever reason, they're into eating bird seed today, which I find interesting. This guy isn't. Some of them aren't. They'll like go up to the bird seed and which are safflower seeds, and things, and the pumpkin seeds, and they just don't want any of that. But some of them are, and I've noticed when the females are like, I used to equate it with when the females were pregnant. For sure, I've noticed in the past males don't tend to want to touch these like seeds so much, but females do. So I think it's something to do with female stuff. A little bit of a crazy morning, but here's 4 degrees. Feels like -4. Everyone's walking around, myself included. I have no gloves on. Somebody had made and no coat. I went back to not wearing a coat. I remembered why I hate wearing a coat is because then when you go inside, then you're too hot. So it's just easier to not wear a coat in the winter. So it's 4, feels like -4. I'm out. I got no gloves. It just, you get, somebody had made a comment that the squirrels must not feel it. I don't really either. I think you get to a certain point where it's all the same. It's like, okay, it's 19 degrees, it's 4 degrees, it's -4 degrees, whatever. It's all cold. And your body just kind of, like, I cannot explain. There was a time when it would be like 20 some degrees and I needed gloves. I really felt like I needed gloves. And now, yeah, someone could say I must be sitting here getting frostbite. Maybe I am. Maybe I am, but no, I don't. I'm fine. I just, no coat. I got a hoodie on. Oh, look at this guy. But you just get to a point where it's just all the friggin' same. Now, it's not, the snow isn't coming down at the moment, so that's a bonus. It's all pretty much ice on the ground. There we go. You can see what the snow is like here. And like in some places, like right here, it's just ice. The deck is all popping right now with my weight. I'll go show that. Honestly, I can see why when people are like, how do they deal with it? I'm actually dealing with it just as well as I did, I don't know, 20 degrees ago. It's really weird. Here's walking. Okay, so like over here, I wonder if it'll do like it did this morning. Oh, I should have done it this morning. It's not doing it anymore. Oh well, a little bit there. Did you hear that one? Must have warmed up. Maybe we're up to 6. I was turned around walking the other way and all these shadows came down and I thought it was leaves falling. And then I thought, wait a minute, why are there so many leaves coming down? It was all birds. All right, it's S-curve. We're going to stay warm here, aren't we? We're going to stay warm, S-curve? Whoa! Today's the first day I put the heated water bowl out. And the blue jays found it in the backyard. Water is so important.